Mm, 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 mm. A taste of the island. So rich, so colorful, so delightful. This is my Jamaican dinner. Barbie fried chicken, rice and peas, and stir-fry veg. I am going to enjoy. Let's cook dinner. Now today, I'm in the mood for something really nice. Yes, don't have a lot of time, so I want to make it quick and easy, but really irresistible and delicious. I am making Barbie fried chicken. Stay with me, guys. Stay with me. This method leaves me out of the kitchen in no time. I am making my Barbie fried chicken in the oven. Look at me seasoning my chicken. Yes. And I'm just going to pop them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes, and then later for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. The result: juicy, delectable, and crispy Barbie fried chicken. Now, after I've seasoned my chicken with Maggie all-purpose, salt, pepper, and paprika, I went ahead and I added 1 egg, 10 mils of oil, and some cornstarch. Now what I'm doing, I'm coating my chicken with a little flour, and I'm just going to pop this in the oven. Quick and easy and convenient. This method allows me some time to just go kick back and wait until the oven does its work. No need for me to be standing over it frying chicken now. It's time to make my stir-fry veg. I have some cauliflower, some carrots, and I'm going to go ahead and prepare that. I'm going to add some frozen broccoli. The broccoli is well frozen, guys. Well frozen. It's time to add our aromatics to the oil, and we're going to stir fry these for a little while before adding the rest of the vegetables. Let's check on our red kidney beans. Testing the red kidney beans. Yes, these are tender. They're cooked. I'm going to add my coconut milk to my beans. Salt to taste. Maggie all-purpose. Red chili flakes. Oh. I'm coming. It's time to add our spices to our beans. Yellow onion, dried thyme, salt to taste, garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, pimento berries, and margarine. This margarine I'm putting in maybe about 1 tablespoon. Add our rice. Let's check in on our rice and peas. Now, a lot of people, when they put their rice in, they just leave it for it to steam. But not me. I have to stir my pot, yes? I'm stirring my pot. Our chicken is fully cooked. It's really crispy on the outside, but so mild and juicy on the inside. Let's make our sauce.